Hello all and welcome back to the channel. So a new season is coming up on this channel. I have like 3 projects right now, and one of them is this SLK 200. I got that in a trade-in for one of the cars I sold. So let's see what we can do to spice it up. This is a little bit of a boring car, and I will not do a big series on it. I will do like one episode or something just to show you what you can do to spice up it a bit before I sell it. And as you can see, I already started to do some wrapping here, first time ever, so that's a big experiment. So we'll see in one video from start to end how I will spice this one up. And then I have this one on the way home. It's a C300 W25 convertible. I will of course then fix this. This is a Copart purchase that I will fix up, and I will do a total transformation to a C63 AMG look on all of it, and a lot of other goodies inside and out. And I'm actually designing my own line of wheels that we will sell on the site later on, and these wheels will be featured on this C300 and on the third project, which is this one. It's a SL500, or in the States SL550. It also had a slight damage, and I will make a total facelift of this one. This is what it looks like before it's facelifted, and this is what it will look like when I'm done with it. And as I said, I will also add the new line of wheels to this one. So please hit that subscribe so you don't miss out on all these 3 new projects. And of course I will finish the S63 project. The small details that are left on that one. Not that that was a very popular project, but I will finish it of course. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.